We are Mecky and Fernie. We are cruising the Bahamas in 2023 on our 34-foot PDQ Power Cat named Soulstice. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. I'm not. I'm trying not to. Oh my God, look at him. He's like tired. Look at that tail. Dale, Captain. Dale, Captain. Pero keep your hand away from him. What a cutie patootie. Oh my God, it's like sandpaper. Yeah, it's like sandpaper. I am touching him for the record. It's like sandpaper. Oh my goodness. I'm touching a shark. Oh, yeah. Rose is touching a shark too. This is the extent. Ah, goodness gracious. All right, buddy. Look at this guy. He is such a cutie. He let us pet him. And he took pictures with us. This guy's a nice guy.
The mouth, guys. Look in the mouth.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty much as big as it. Let me get another one. Look at my one. Thank you, sir. That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. So see, check out those teeth. That's as big as the teeth get right there, guys. So how we tell the difference from the boys and the girls? For one, the girls tend to get bigger than the boys with these shots. Yeah. For two, on the top, it's a different color. So the darker ones like this, they're girls, and the boys kind of a little more brownish. All right, a little lighter brown. So this one right here. Big babies. Yeah, big babies, big puppies. Yeah. You guys can get photos go closer. Alright, you ready? Everybody with you? Let's get some photos going, guys.
Oh my God, oh my gosh. Try him again,
I think I have food.
Oh, they think I have food. How do you feel, Fernie? Now that you swam with the sharks?
You know,
And you went ahead and carried one?
they're pretty friendly.
Do you feel like a true Bahamian, Fernie?
No,
No?
it's on tourists.
But it's a fun tourist thing.
It's a foreign tourist attraction. It's a unique tourist attraction.
Okay. So saying goodbye to Compass Cay. It's a marina there. We just came from there and interacted with the nurse shark. It's definitely, if you go in your dinghy, it's like $15, so a head, which is pretty good as far as I'm concerned. It's probably one of the best $15 you'll spend here if you're on your dinghy to go mess around with the nurse sharks over at Compass Cay. So bye-bye, Compass Cay. We are cruising down Pipes Creek, it's called. Very, very lovely area here. Just wanted to take a little bit of a view. walk around the boat so you can get a feel for Pipes Creek. Really pretty. Honestly, the whole Bahamas is pretty. It's beautiful. We have reached Piggy Beach here. See a piggy there. And there are several of them right over there. Gotta go through the fridge and see what I can donate to the piggies. Oh, we got a piggy and he
missed it.
Fernie, give him some of the food that's about to go bad. Why are you giving him the good cheese, Manchego? What's wrong with you?
Go ahead.
Jeez.
Okay, here it is. This close, this close. This close, this close, this close.
There we go. We got
Here, Fernie.
we got a swimming pig. We got a swimming pig.
Here, hold this.
Got it. We got a swimming pig right here. Oh my
and
God.
he's demanding it.
He's snorting too. He's snorting.
Don't put market though. I like it. It's not gonna be good.
Oh, he's eating them.
Yeah, he's going around and eating them.
He's eating them. There he goes. He's eating. We got an eating pig.
How cute. So cute.
Welcome to Pig Beach, home of the original swimming pigs. And there they are. And we got some big guys. Really big guys. And little ones. Big ones and little ones. Oh, check them out. Look at this little one. Look at the little itty bitty piggy. Yeah, especially the big ones. Oh, these guys are getting. Check them out. Oh, that little itty bitty one is so cute. Look at this little guy. Go run, run, piggy, run, 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 piggy, run, 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 run. So cute. Rosa has a pig that has fallen in love with her. Oh no, it's over. It's over. She ran out of carrots. That was it. We just got back from snorkeling Thunderbolt Grotto. Of course, we had a GoPro malfunction, so we can't. So I'll have to download some pictures from the internet on what it looks like. But it's a great snorkel. We actually parked right outside because there is no place. There are no moorings for the dinghies, so you got to throw an anchor. This is Staniel Cay. We are parked on a mooring field outside of Staniel Cay Marina. As you can see, they got a bunch of big boats at the marina. So we're gonna go ashore and see what we find. is a typical cruiser hike. You got a laundry bag, you got a big hat, and you got garbage. Typical, typical, typical. So Rosa, what are we doing?
Dehydrating.
We are in a laundromat, and by far,
The best.
this is the best Goombay smash ever. Okay, cheers. Leaving Cay, had a great dinner at the House on the Hill restaurant in Cay, and had a little bit of a rocky night. The wind was blowing, but right now it's okay. It is kind of overcast, which is good because we kind of need a little bit of break from the sun. Heading into the Staniel Cay area, but the current is really coming out. You probably can't tell in the video, but we were barely making any headway while we were going through the current, as opposed to in here, which is nice and smooth. So we didn't do the Norman Cay plane. We're doing the Staniel Cay plane. And we're doing it from the dinghy. And obviously this is a popular place because we got a bunch of tour boats here. So that's it. We got a bunch of nurse sharks. They're nurse sharks, right? Okay. Maybe not. But we're waiting for that. Right there. Whatever's left of it. There are a bunch of them. They are all over the place. He is not doing a good job with this. This is wait, you're not doing a good job at all. Okay, I could be filming a really long time here. Really long time. Staniel Cay Yacht Club, and it's a pretty nice place. Can bring the kids. It's a nice place. So we're on a night dinghy ride, which is my favorite, right, Captain? Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yeah. Your favorite. Oh.
Yeah, so hopefully we can get to our boat. And hopefully we can get there while we still have some light.
Yeah.
And yes, we have visual on Solstice, which is always good. Because, you know, when you're taking a nighttime dinghy ride, it's really not over till you get on the boat. So as long as we have visual, it's all good. Gonna get video? And this anchorage was right in the flight plan to and from Staniel Cay. So we've been seeing these nifty airplanes